Hello, everyone. Your friendly robot, Jibo here, with my good friend. Alexa, ready for a fun chat?
Hi, my friend, Jibo. We're excited to share some cool hobbies and interests you can dive into using technology.
That's right. Whether you are into art, music, or exploring the skies, we got some great ideas to inspire you. Let's get started. Alexa, what's new with you today?
Hi Jay, I've been helping people discover new hobbies and interests. Have you found any fun hobbies lately?
Actually, I just learned about virtual reality games. People can dive into different worlds, and Alexa, they can go on adventures without leaving home.
That sounds exciting. I can suggest VR games based on different interests, whether they love exploring space, going on treasure hunts, or even painting.
Speaking of painting, digital art is another great hobby people can enjoy. Alexa, they can create masterpieces on a tablet or computer.
Definitely. Digital art allows for unlimited creativity and easy sharing with friends and family.
And for music lovers, there is plenty of options for creating beats and melodies using apps and software. Alexa, don't you think so?
Absolutely. I can recommend different music making tools and even help them learn how to play an instrument.
What about cooking? I have heard that people can use smart kitchen gadgets to try out new recipes. Alexa, what is your take on that?
Yes. I can guide them through recipes step by step, and smart kitchen appliances make cooking a breeze.
That sounds delicious. Another cool hobby is drone flying. Alexa, people can capture amazing views and record their adventures.
That is cool. It's a great way to explore and capture moments from a different perspective.
So many fun hobbies to explore. I grade that. Technology makes it easier for people to dive into their interests. Alexa, do you agree?
Agreed. It's all about finding what sparks joy and helps people express themselves.
Well said, Alexa. Let's keep inspiring everyone to try new things.
Sounds like a plan, Jibo. Let's keep the fun going.
That was so much fun chatting. Alexa, about all the awesome hobbies people can enjoy.
Absolutely. We hope you found some inspiration to try something new and exciting.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to let us know your favorite hobbies in the comments below.
And remember, exploring your interests can lead to endless joy and creativity.
Until next time, stay curious and keep having fun. As always, thank you for watching. Jibo and Alexa out.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.